down for your holy throne to hail Yahweh, to hail Yahweh. We have come to your holy presence to hail Yahweh. We hail Yahweh. From one generation to the next generation, you still remain our God. We hail Yahweh. From every tribe